Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is April Hardiman and I'm the owner of Dream Virtual Assistant. I assist equestrian businesses gaining exposure online. You'll see videos that I make are either tips, tutorials, and sometimes I even do equine business product reviews. So let's get into today's topic. Today I wanted to go over 5 tips on how to improve your blog titles. And the first tip is keyword research. There's a lot that goes in to make sure that you're doing keyword research. A lot of times I have clients that already have their blog titles and they just go off that without doing any research. But I highly recommend that you go and do your keyword research before you do any topics or title or any content batching of what you're going to do. You want to make sure that whatever you're about to write about is going to be relevant and people are going to want to read it. So if you want to learn a little bit more about keyword research and how you go about it, make sure you check out the podcast segment on Horse Radio Network, and I'll make sure I link that in the description below. The second tip is that your title should be relevant to what is in your blog. You don't want to be saying this is what your title is and then you are misleading by writing about something completely different than what you just said you were going to write about. They might kind of stay on and read that blog, but they may not come back to your website because they don't trust the information that you're giving out. Third tip, there was a survey done by Moz, which is also kind of something that'll help you with keyword research. Moz said that blogs that have numbers in them tend to do way better than any other blog titles. So make sure you're putting in those numbers if you can. So an example of this is like the blog post that I'll have up, and I'll make sure it's in the description below as well, is the 20 best topics for your equestrian business. It increases your clickability if you have those numbers in your blog title. And the fourth tip would be your headline length. You don't want to make it too short and you don't want to make it too long. Usually around 48 to 75, but sometimes 55 to 60 characters works best. So about 6 to 10 word length, so 6 words in the title or 10 words in the title. You don't want to go too long. You just got to remember that Google only has one line, or your title will only show up in that one line that you click on when people start to Google things. Then my 5th tip on how to improve your blog title is to make sure that you're putting that blog title within the first part of your blog itself. This will help your SEO rank, and it'll help like your keyword research, or that you've done your keyword research now. So now you want to make sure that what you're saying is what you've said in the title. So make sure you've put that in there as well. If you've liked this video and you want to see more tips like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So just to recap, the 5 tips I have given is the first one is do your keyword research. Second one is to make sure what you're saying in your blog or what you say in your title is actually in your content of the blog. Third one is try to use numbers if you can. Fourth one is your headline length. You don't want it too long, you don't want it too short. And 5th one, make sure you're using that title somewhere in the first part of your blog. Question of the day for you is, what kind of blog topics do you tend to click on? Or what are some of your favorite blog topics to read? Again, if you have not done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And you might just see that another business tip had just popped up. Make sure to click that out. Make sure to check that out and let me know if you have any questions below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.